Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Finally, after 5 months, every single time I just stop uploading for a while and then suddenly, hey guys, I'm back, I'll try to keep uploading. And then what happens every single time is I get less views than before and I just give up again, and that's a cycle. And this rate, this video is gonna have like 10 views and like that's it. Yeah, so YouTube is just really bad at recommending stuff. Like, if you want to become big on YouTube, you basically just have to do like viral things like TikTok, Among Us, stuff like that. Actually, Among Us is kind of dying right now, but still, you get what I mean. And like, if you are like me, making projects, you're not gonna really go on YouTube because YouTube isn't gonna recommend that to you. Unless, of course, there's people with similar interests to you that have liked the video. So yeah, that's... So you know what I'm about to say, like the video, because it boosts the algorithm. It boosts chances that anyone will actually see this video. I think it's like the only reason I got like 40 views before. But still, it's less views than subscribers, so it's kinda bad. Thanks, YouTube. But anyway, here's my typical promise that I try to upload more, though my life is going in a weird way. I basically decided to take English exams earlier because, like, come on. When you see me type in chat, you cannot really tell I'm not a native speaker. It's only when I'm actually speaking that, oh, there's an accent, that's why. Okay. And yeah, so that's basically why it's gonna help me next year to, well, BE, do not buy that stuff because that's a regular exams here. For finals, I don't know, but I don't know what the heck. But whatever it might be, let's actually get to the video. And in the event that I do not upload, you can always join the Discord server or check out the website and subscribe to notifications on there. I actually post more regularly on the website, and Discord you basically know everything. Now, oh no, I'm gonna get purged on Discord though. Well, we actually changed the rules so that as long as you are using Discord, you're not gonna get purged. As long as you're using Discord and get notified, or you can be an active member of a community and just, we don't have to worry about you anymore. So yeah, that's that. So you might have noticed that this is a 1080p 60 video from me. What? 1080p 60 camera. And here's a fun fact. That's only 25% of what I could do. I could do 4K 60, but like, who has 4K displays here? I'm pretty sure like everyone here uses 768p displays, so not even 1080p. Yeah, that's just the stereotype they get from like humans who are just so bad, just so generic, just so typical random human, you know. But anyways, that is a new phone indeed, and yay. Now what implications this actually has is that I'll be able to develop projects for modern devices, like something that's not this weak thing that barely runs games and has a 32-bit Android, because why not? It's a 64-bit CPU but it's put a 32-bit Android on it. I could also try to run various things, so this actually has 12 gigabytes of RAM and it's like pretty OP. So if you wanna see different ways of me messing with the phone, you can vote for it on our Discord server if you want to see it or not. Or you can go to the comment section, you know, make the comment section more active. I mean, there's some random comments, but it's like typical comments, so... Now you might think, oh my god, this is the same person who's been just begging for money for our subscribers. How does he have such a cool phone? She's begging for money. That begging for money part is pretty much the best. I no longer very much, like, you can still support me with money, but but I would much prefer it if you supported me through working on my projects. Yeah, that does give you the same level of support perks as Patreon, and it's pretty much just not much difference except that it's the money I get work from you, and I think work is more important. Yeah, because I'm working on a lot of projects and I guess starting especially with school, trying to make sure that I work on their projects instead. Because reasons. But yeah, here's a TLDR on everything else that has happened. So the Netherlands Minecraft server has been shut down due to lack of a server. That's fun. So I tried another time now. It is the Kappa SMP, which you guys over here might not know about, but on the Beta Dark channel you can see some gameplay. It is a server that it's hosted on my PC, goes through a VPN that makes it as laggy as possible. And my upload speed doesn't help. So there you go, have fun playing on the server. So yeah, that's why I stopped at the Ender Dragon for now. But yeah, if you want to see return of the Minecraft servers, though, support with money, give money, please, please, please. But yeah, seriously, I would need like a stable income rather than the weird chunks of money you just get currently. So come on, do it. I know you have money and I know you're capable of paying. Stop lying to me, idiots. Also, oh no, COVID, oh my god, that money must be saved as much as possible. But it depends on what you're working on, what your job is. So if you're in IT like Grandpa, you're still gonna easily work because like they give you tasks that you have to do online, you upload it, stuff like that. And yeah, it was already remote to begin with, so that is not affected. So yeah, yet another reason to go into IT. In case another COVID happens, you're not gonna lose all your money because you cannot work anymore. Okay, aside from the weird tangent, I also got my hard drive corrupted. Now it's a data drive with projects. But like the biggest thing that was pretty much just, I know it's unrecoverable, the Twitch Plays footage. You just cannot recover it. There's no way you're gonna recover Twitch Plays. It's like a terabyte of files. The partition has been completely corrupted, so there's no way for it to know where the files are. And since it's so fragmented, just give up. You cannot recover that. You just cannot. But as for the project, thankfully, it's random text files that I was able to recover. For example, QCat. So I completely lost QCat. Completely lost. Well, if I was a random Windows user with random, I was a random human just randomly using Windows. Oh my god, my partition's gone. It's nothing I can do about it, but now I can go into the nice terminal here, can type cool stuff here, yeah. And with that, I managed to fully recover QCat source files. Yep. The nice reason why knowing computer stuff can help you. But anyways, let's get to the actual project now. Oh my god, he's gonna make an update on Buzzer's back. It's gonna be tiny. Oh, this is the tiniest update you ever gonna get on Buzzer's back because the update is that there is no update. Development of Buzzer's back, I mean, it's been kinda dead right now. You can say Buzzer's back is pretty much dead now. But not as in it's cancelled. I just want to work on smaller projects first, get an actual audience. That's not going to happen, I know. Like, you guys just don't care, but whatever. But yeah, let's get to the small projects then. By small, I mean, well, just low effort, but we'll see.
Meow.
QCat is a revolutionary Discord bot with a filter that pretty much does not allow you to bypass it, no matter what you do. Good luck. with an XP system that rewards actual activity instead of spamming, and many other features. Sounds great, huh? If only you had a way to get access to it. Oh wait, supporter! Now, I don't recommend buying supporter just for QCat. There's a reason, like, supporter is usually for early access, so QCat's in early access. It's been early access for quite a while now. Oh, there's a big reason for that. My old code. So yeah, what I have been doing is rewriting QCat so that it's actually good, it's actually customizable, it's actually stable and not broken. And when this project is done, well, there will still be a early access period, but pretty much that's when it can go to release. Now, when exactly, you may ask? Well, it will come in some months. Especially since I'm working on this next project. I've left the best for last. So that was a racism game. A game about racism. Okay, it's not actual racism. It should be noted that this is a code name. It was a haha funny stuff because racism, racing. If it comes to a racism game, we're just gonna call it racism game until the official name is out. But early access could be as early as this month, the February of 2021. And it will be released to everyone on April 1st. Yep. For those unaware, I usually release my projects on April 1st. It was a funny thing back then for Buzzer is back that I did technically release something. That there was the whole thing about the website, Discord server being shut down, there's a website now. But the website did remain. And it's still being updated regularly. But yeah, that's basically my update video. That's gonna be pretty high quality, so if you agree there is high quality, dislike it. If you don't, dislike, because of course there's gonna be idiots with dare dislike this video. Like, come on guys. You just had to click the dislike button for no reason. I'm looking at you. I know who you are. I know where you live. Okay, let's stop. So yeah, I like the video, yeah. Dislike if you didn't like it, yeah. Subscribe if you want to see future videos, yeah. But of course, if you want to see future videos, you gotta actually hit the bell icon so that you actually get notified for the videos on the channel you've been subscribed to, yeah. Thanks, YouTube.